In this video, I'm going to tell you a difference between manual CPC versus target impression share as a bidding strategy. So let's see the query and then I'm going to tell you about it. So manual CPC versus target impression share. Okay, can you take a minute to explain to me the difference between manual CPC and target impression share? Does one thing or learn differently than the other? Do the algos do different things? I'm having more success with target impression share than manual CPC in the same campaign, but thought manual CPC would be a better fit for a B2B niche product, but I'm not certain anymore. Okay, so this is a query for those who wants to know manual CPC versus target impression share as a bidding strategy. So first of all, I'm going to move you to the Google Ads account, then going to show you the bidding strategy, and then we are going to have a discussion on this. So this is one of the Google Ads accounts. So let's move on. This campaign. Just to give you an example. Okay. Now in the campaign settings, I can move over here. Let's get it loaded. The campaign is post. I'm going to show you just an example over here. You can see the current campaign is running the maximize clicks bidding strategy over here. But if I'm going to select the change bidding strategy, I'm going to see other bidding strategy options, which are the crucial element or the part of the Google Ads strategy. You can see around over here. So if I select a bidding strategy over here, I can select over here the strategy is manual CPC and target impression share. Okay, if I select the manual CPC, okay, the Google do not learn or respond on where or which keyword is working well or working fine for you, or which ad position is working fine for you. So which is why manual CPC is not recommended at all. I do not recommend it. Okay, I recommend maximize clicks in certain scenarios where the goal is to get clicks and then we move on to the conversions. But if I compare manual CPC with the target impression share, first of all, understand the target impression share. As told before, the target impression share is where do you want your ads to appear. You are being provided with three positions: anywhere on result page, top of result page, absolute top of result page. You can see around here most of the people opt target impression share to be either shown on top of result page or absolute top of result page. Okay, so the main purpose over here is to get the percentage of impression shares where the competitors are getting more traffic than you, and you can learn for your competitors through your auction insights. Simply search over here in your search on auction insights, and you can see around over here who else is advertising for those queries, and these may be your competitors, which is why it's a very good strategy. Target impression share is a very good strategy, and which is why I'm going to saying is because you said that manual you are having a more success with target impression share, which is why you are getting more success because it's a better strategy than manual CPC. So my recommendation is to opt for the target impression share. Manual CPC is not going to help you anywhere. But if you individual okay, other perspective for manual CPC is where you want to have individual bidding CPC for each of the keyword. Sometimes some people want for each keyword they want to have different bidding strategy they use on it. So you can see over here your auction insights is being loaded over here. You can see who else is advertising apart from you. You can learn from them over here. Now I'm going to move back over here, and I'm going to show you regarding this over here. You can see around over here, this is another ad group. Okay, so you can see around here there are multiple keywords over here. Okay, for those who want to have individual CPC for each of the keyword, they can also offer the manual CPC. But again, ideally this is not my favorite bidding strategy, so I do not recommend manual bidding strategy at all. And if there is a comparison between manual CPC versus target impression share, anytime any day target impression share is going to be a win-win. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I was able to explain it. Take care. Bye bye.